This is a typical thoracic vertebra viewed superiorly, so from the top. So first off, if we look at the vertebral foramen, you see this is smaller than in the cervical vertebra. And it's very circular in shape. So anteriorly we have the body. It's much bigger, much taller than in the cervical vertebrae. And then connecting the body to the neural arch, the back part of the neural arch, we have the pedicles, which are very thin on this thoracic vertebra, so the right and the left pedicles. And then here we can see the superior articular facets on either side. We can see the transverse processes. We have the laminae, so that the back portion of the neural arch here and here. And then we have the spinous process projecting inferiorly here. And this is, if we turn it to the side, we can see this is really long in the thoracic vertebra and actually hangs down quite a long way below the end of the body. Also, while in this view, we can see the inferior articular facets just at the back here. So these are flat if you feel them with the finger. Both the superior articular facets and the inferior articular facets. And we have other joint surfaces on thoracic vertebrae because we have the ribs articulating with these vertebrae. So here, just on that bit where you have the pedicle and the body of the vertebrae coming together, there's a tiny little joint surface here. This is the superior costal surface. And then there's also an inferior costal surface, which is here. It's not as pronounced as the superior one. And actually, if we look inferiorly, you can kind of see them better. It's almost like they're just little extensions, almost, of the inferior surface of the vertebral body. So you can see them just on either side, there and there. And then we also have on the transverse processes, see another little facet here. This is the costal facet of the transverse process. So again, this is for a rib. So we'll have ribs sitting here and here. That's how they join to the vertebrae.